You can use this touchscreen display and these control panel buttons to view information and adjust settings for various vehicle systems. Touch an item in the launch bar to switch screens. Touch Maps to access Google Maps, if so equipped. Audio to play your radio and other media sources. Phone to place a call. Google Assistant to access the voice assistant, if so equipped. Or Apps to view the touchscreen selection menu where you can access vehicle apps and, if so equipped, Nissan Connect services. Swipe the screen right or left to view additional menu screens. These screens are customizable to include your preferred widgets and apps, such as audio information and clock display. To customize the home menu screen, touch and hold one of the widgets. Touch Add. Then, select the information you'd like displayed. Touch Save. Touch Settings to customize additional settings. To return to the previous screen, touch the back key. Please see your Nissan Connect owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.